Hello, friends. Today I am here to show you a very simple method to type in your notes, question papers, assignments, whatever needs to be typed basically, easily, both in Hindi as well as English. It's a very simple tool which is given to us by Google as voice input, which we will be using. Okay. So, in order to show you how to go about it, let me first share my screen. So I open my Chrome or the browser and I need to open my Google Docs. Now there are various ways of opening. I can go from here where I have an option for my Google Apps on the right side of my browser and pick up the Docs option, or else I can just type in Google Docs on my search button and press enter. A lot of options will come up, but you go for the first one, free online documents for personal use. So click on that. Now this is the screen which comes up, and from here we try to pick up the go to Google Docs option. So we click on that and we are given a place where my already existing documents are being shown. But I want to create a blank new one. So there's this plus button coming up on the right hand side corner. So I click on that and it creates a blank document for me. Once it's done, I now simply need to go to the tools and go for the voice typing. So I click on that, this icon pops up, and I just need to click and start speaking. You can see on the screen that whatever I am speaking, it's being typed automatically. There could be a little bit of errors depending upon your accent, and of course, I have seen that there are no ways I can put a comma or a full stop. Those things needs to be added up. But otherwise, a major chunk of your typing can be done here easily, and I think pretty fast too. So that's really easy and that's helpful. Now, if you really want to not keep the data on Google Docs, you can just copy paste it on a Word document and keep it with you. Okay. Now, supposingly, I want to go for the Hindi typing or rather any other language typing for that matter. So in order to do so, let me just stop this recording first. So I click back on this icon and I just kind of come to the next lines. And now here you can see on the top of this icon, there's this English US being shown. So this is the language which is being shown to you. So if I want to change this language, I just need to click on this drop down. And here all the languages of the world acceptable to Google is here. So from here, I scroll down, 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 and I come to Hindi. Okay, so I pick up Hindi. You can see we've got other regional languages also, which maybe we don't need as of now. So I pick up Hindi and again the same process. So now I click मेरा देश महान, मैं एक हिंदुस्तानी हूँ. Stop it. So I mean, this is how you can have the Hindi typing also being done. And while you type, you can pause and put the comma and the viram chins yourself. That needs to be done because that won't be done by the voice typing. I hope this is helpful and it eases your work. That was my main purpose basically. Thank you.